In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to create this cute little earbuds pouch. You can use this pouch to attach your earbuds to your backpack or your purse. Make sure that they're not gonna get lost. But you're gonna have a really easy access because you don't have to take the case out of the pouch to access your earbuds. This pattern fits the Apple earbuds or generic earbuds that I just got for myself. I will leave a link to those inexpensive earbuds in the description box below. So far so good. So if earbuds is something you would like to try, you can just purchase a pair under $20 and see if that's something you even like using before you invest in a more expensive brand. This is a really quick project. It just involves one pattern piece. The pattern piece is available for free. You can just follow the link in the description box below and download the file. The available files will be in a SVG format, so you can use it and cut it on your cutting machine, or you can download the PDF file and just print it out and cut your piece manually. If you enjoy my tutorials and you like my patterns, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and to give the video a like. Also, if you have any suggestions, please make sure to leave a comment under this video. Now, if you would like to see me creating this little stripy version of the pouch that fits the inexpensive set of earbuds, please keep watching. This project, as you can imagine, doesn't involve a lot of supplies. All we need is a piece of vinyl or cork or any other material that doesn't fray. The size of the material is 3.5 inches in width and 8.5 inches tall. Also, for our little tab, you can use a generic key fob ring. I'm just using a key ring. You can purchase them on Amazon. You can also use a spring-loaded ring if that's something you have on hand, but just a regular key ring will do. Then we would need one snap. You can use a metal snap or a plastic snap, and I'm going to be using plastic snaps today. And the tool to set the snaps. You can purchase the snap set, including the tool, on Amazon as well. Let's get started. Our first step is to prep our flap, and just to give you a better visual, this is how the case will come together. So you want to create the flap in this way. So we have to align our flap lining and clip that in place. And when we have that clipped and aligned, we're going to take it to the machine and we're going to top stitch along the full flap and also along the top edge of our case. So you want to top stitch around the whole flap and that edge. And we're going to be top stitching with the 1/8 of an inch seam allowance and 3.5 stitch length. Make sure that you're going to back stitch on the beginning and on the end of each seam. I top stitch my flap and my top edge. My vinyl shifted a little bit while I was sewing, but that's not a big deal. I'm just gonna trim it and now I'm gonna have a nice clean edge. Now I can work on connecting the sides. What you want to do, you want to now flip the unit right side up and fold the case part. Align the little sides, clip them together. And when you have that prepped, you're gonna take it to the machine and you're gonna sew along those two edges with the 1/4 of an inch seam allowance and 3.5 stitch length. And again, make sure you're gonna back stitch well on the beginning and on the end of each seam. Now my sides are sewn. I can turn the project right side out and see how the case is coming together, if it fits my earbuds. If you feel like your case is too loose, you can increase the seam allowances. Mine it's looking that mine is looking perfect, so it's a little snag. That's what you want. So now we're gonna work on our top. You wanna bring your flap over. You're gonna overlap it with the front of your pouch by about an inch, making sure it's nice and straight, and then pinch the top, making sure that it aligns in the middle of your case. So when we have that pinch, you can secure that with a clip, and this way you're going to be able to find a perfect fit for the earbuds that you're creating the case for. So I think this is the perfect placement, so I'm just gonna make a mark that this is where I wanna sew my case. And because I'm using a striped because I'm using a vinyl that have stripes on it, it's really easy for me to just mark the other side, but you just want to make sure it's in the same place. Now we have the placement of our stitch. We can remove our earbuds from the case, and now you're gonna take it to the machine and you're gonna stitch from that point to the other side with the 3.5 stitch length, just making sure you are connecting those two marks, and also make sure that you're gonna back stitch well on the beginning and on the end of the seam. Now that my flap is sewn, I'm gonna create my little top, and for that I'm gonna find the middle of my top. So you just want to fold it in half, mark the middle point. Now that we have the middle marked, we're gonna mark the size of our top. So you're gonna take a ruler, and depending on the size of the top you would like, I would not go any smaller than 1/2 inch. It depends also on the size of the keyring you're gonna be using. So I'm gonna create the top that is about 1/2 inch. So I just want to make a mark on each side of the midpoint. And now, using my fabric shears, I'm gonna make a cut straight down, but not cutting the seam that we just created. I'm just gonna be 1/8 of an inch away from that seam line. Do it on both sides, and then come from the side and just cut that part out. And just like that, our little top is created. And now what's left to do is to add our snap. So place your earbuds inside your pouch. Now pull your flap to find the best spot to install your snap. I'm gonna start with the top, so I want to make sure that I'm in the middle and that my snap will fit on the back of my pouch. So that's going to be the front of my snap. I'm gonna install the snap on the flap first. So you need 4 parts, female and male end, and 2 top covers. So you're just gonna make a hole so you can put your top part through. Place your female part on it, and using your tool, just squeeze on it. Now that you have the top snap installed, you can again put your earbuds case inside your pouch. Pull your flap, making sure it's nice and straight, and find the place where you think the snap should be on the other side. Now install the male part of the snap. Now we're gonna put our case inside, close our snap. It seems like it's fitting perfectly. The last thing to do is just install our keyring. I'm just gonna use this tool to open it. The project is now completed. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and if you do own earbuds, you're gonna give the project a go. If you do, please make sure to tag me on social media. The links to my Facebook group and Instagram are in the description box below. Also, make sure to grab a free copy of this pattern. Just follow the link in the description box below. If you like this quick video and you would like me to create more patterns and video tutorials, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and to give the video a like. I would love to hear what you thought about this little project, so please leave a comment below the video. Till the next time.